But if you want remote access, then you must get the Wi-Fi box, which I talked about earlier. And installing this is very easy as well. You can either plug it into your network via Ethernet cable, or it has built-in Wi-Fi. So from the WELOCK app, you click on Add Device and then select the Wi-Fi box, and then simply follow the instructions there to connect it to the network. Once it's connected, on the app, you can toggle between Bluetooth or Wi-Fi box, which would let you unlock the door from anywhere in the world as long as you have an active internet connection. Another nice thing that the Wi-Fi box allows is Alexa compatibility. So you can integrate this with Alexa by downloading the Alexa skill and setting that up. By default, Alexa unlock and voice unlock are turned off, so you do need to go into the Alexa skill to turn them on. I did have a small concern with the voice unlock. If someone knows that you use this, they can simply stand at your door and yell to Alexa to unlock the door, but they've actually thought about that in asking Alexa to unlock via voice, asks you for a 4-digit code that you set. So if they don't know that code, then they cannot unlock the door and get into your house, which is nice. Alexa, unlock the main door.
What's your voice code for main? Unlocking. Hang on. The main is unlocked.
So that's it for the WELOCK Smart Lock. To be honest, I was pleasantly surprised with how easy it is to install it and operate it. I did have one concern, which is the batteries. So if the batteries die, you're essentially locked out of your house, which is not good. The good thing though is that the batteries are on the outside and that they're standard AAA batteries. So if they do run out all of a sudden or you forget to replace them, you can run to the store and just buy your standard AAA batteries. You do need that Allen key though to be able to open the battery plate. So maybe as a safety precaution, leave the Allen key or maybe also a set of AAA batteries somewhere hidden around your house or in your mailbox.